better start because the race sounds like it's almost over. I start, and I hear I'm just going to start the right.
Here comes the field, turn number 4. 25 laps of distance, we're off and running. Outside, lane with a big push. '57 clears to 17, 14 does not. They go side by side up turn 4. 17 sideways in the drive. Running turn 4 this time. We'll see the green flag deployed. J&B Recycling. Two big trucks there. Wheel, turn 1 and 2. Big nickel down low. Or on the outside view. Two by two, the back straight away for 3rd position. That's Cody Wildman down low, the 3 Grand Bend. They lead each other in turn 1 and 2. As the nickel lead the charge in turn 3 with a 57 of Ethan Orr, breathing down the neck at turn 4. These teams have another interesting line of their own. They're right down the center of the racetrack on the fairway. Wild looks for the 57 of Orr. They take that spot in turn number 2. And now Wild's on the attack. Goes up top and dives down low. Wild again goes to the outside lane here in turn 1 and 2. Gets right back in line. And nickel holds the toe in turn 3 this time. Wild's down low. 17 more. They're going to go get together. Turn 1 and 2. They do get together. They swap pace there in turn 1 and 2. Here comes on the inside. Now the nickel machine goes on the attack of the 57 of Ethan Orr. Don't count up McKenna Robson's 3 truck, also in the top 4 in that big tight chain of traffic. Colorado's 48 machine also flanking by doing should these front 4 get all tousled up. Now to the clear traffic. The 57 of Orr and 14 of Wild go to the top side of the racetrack on turn 4. Late entry to turn 3. Late exit on turn 4. Keep this track nice and wide. The 17 car also at that line and try to see if it works out for her 17 truck. Big lead entry in turn 3. Make the corner nice and low up to the top of turn 4. Would you believe it if I told you that is now the junior B line? Ethan Orr staying right there within 1 truck length of the 14 of Cody Wild. We will scamper on turn 3 and 4. And again, the 57 Ethan Orr just can't get a run on the 14 at this time. Stays right with him though. Made to change his line to make the path of the 14 truck. 13, of course, Wild's keeping his own line on the outside of turn 4. late entry in the corner. First spot, Haley McNichol, all by herself. Fourth spot, the 3 of McKenna Robson. First spot, 38 Machine. Fifth spot of Colorado. 14 and 57, 2 equally matched race trucks. Ethan Orr will have to get experimental to try to see if we can find a way around that 14 truck. Third place was getting a bit dicey here at turn 4. But the green truck of McKenna Robinson holding up the 48 of Connor Ellis. And we almost came together on the front stretch of Laprador. We're stuck behind the clouds here. The truck's going to get cooled off a wee bit here. One more lap to go, and Ethan Orr has one last chance to hit the move here. But again, equally, 2 fast race trucks out of turn 4. One lap each ever here out of turn 4, and Wild supposed to win Ethan Orr.